The DeLorean Alpha5 is happening. It debuted at the end of May, promising 300 miles of range and impressive performance from its electric powertrain. Only 88 will be produced, but are there more DeLorean models on the way? Prior to the Alpha5's debut, DeLorean Motor Company CEO Joost de Vries mentioned other concepts. Now, we're getting a look at Alpha2, Alpha3, and Alpha4, albeit in a rather strange manner. Jump onto DeLorean's website and you'll find a section labeled Our Journey. A click or tap will take you on a trip back through time, which we'll readily admit is rather cheeky considering DeLorean's iconic ties to the Back to the Future franchise. Then again, if you want to show a bunch of new DeLorean concept vehicles to the public, getting creative with an alternate automotive timeline is a novel way to do it. And that's exactly what the rebooted company does, starting with the DeLorean Alpha2 of the 1990s. Imagined as a complete departure from the legacy design of the DC-12, we'd be lying if said we didn't see shades of C4 Corvette in this small coupe. Perhaps that's done on purpose, as DeLorean says the Alpha2 was unveiled in 1996 at the very end of the C4 generation, wielding an internal combustion engine of unknown power. Of course, that's all part of the fictional timeline used in the presentation of these concepts. Lest we forget, the original DMC went bankrupt in 1982. The Alpha3 represents a futuristic sedan of the mid-2000s, arriving in 2006 per DeLorean's alternate universe. Not only is the styling nothing like other sedans of the era, but its all-electric powertrain beats Tesla to punch by 6 years. Naturally, there are two massive gull-wing doors for front and rear seat passengers, though its flat roof with a truncated backside exudes a fastback or wagon vibe versus a sedan. Here comes the DeLorean SUV you've been expecting. We're now at 2013 in DeLorean's timeline of evolution where electricity still drives the wheels, but in the Alpha4 it comes from a hydrogen fuel cell. We don't have much to say on the design, save that it has standard doors for the front with gull wings for the rear. It's also strikingly similar to the Fisker Ocean in profile view, for better or worse. There's one other concept to mention that was actually part of DeLorean's real-life legacy. The DMC-24 was designed in 1982 as a sleek wedge-shaped four-seater sedan, and it even made it to the mock-up stage. It was the original Alpha, but with the company's bankruptcy happening the same year, development never progressed further.